In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a chart in Google Docs. Whether you're working on a report, a presentation, or simply managing data visually, adding a chart to your Google Doc can make a huge difference in clarity and engagement. We'll guide you through this process step by step to make it as simple as possible. First, let's begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the search bar, go ahead and type in Google Docs and hit Enter. Once the results appear, click on the link that will direct you straight to the Google Docs homepage. If you haven't logged in recently, you might be prompted to enter your credentials. Make sure you do that with your Google account, and soon you'll be ready to move on to the next part. Now, assume you're in your Google Docs workspace. Open the document where you want to add a chart. Position your cursor exactly where you dream of that informative chart appearing. It's important to pre-visualize these things. Moving on, direct your attention to the top menu. There, you'll find the Insert tab. Click on it and hover over the chart option that appears in the drop-down menu. You'll then see several chart types to choose from, including bar, column, line, and pie. Pick the one that best suits your needs, and voila! A ready-to-customize chart will be placed directly into your document. What might be surprising is that this chart isn't just any static object. It is linked to a Google Sheet, creating a dynamic aspect to your data visualization. Be on the lookout for a notification popping up at the bottom of the screen. This will include a handy link titled Edit in Sheets. Should you want to tinker with the chart's data, simply click the link icon on the chart itself. You can then select Open Source, which will, in turn, open the linked Google Sheet in a new tab. Here, you have the freedom to modify the data directly. Change numbers, swap out categories, whatever you need. Once you're satisfied with your edits, there's no need for extra steps like exporting or importing. Just save and close the Google Sheet or navigate back to your Google Doc. You'll notice the chart in your document now displays an Update button. Give it a click, and like magic, your chart is refreshed with the latest data. So, there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully created and customized a chart in Google Docs, making your document not just more visually appealing, but also data-rich and insightful. Thanks for tuning in, and see you next time for more practical tips and tricks.